the world. Baby, take my hand, we'll walk toward the sand. I wanna go with you, and know that you my boo. I wanna be your man, the future we will plan, the things we wanna do, like watch the sunset with you. Well, no.
Hey boy, wanna stick around with you all night long, until we get tired and finish all the songs. I like to when you dance with me, every single step I feel so alive and thrilled. Oh, be my ride or die, baby, I never let you go. Oh boy, it's you and me against the world. Oh baby, take my hand, we'll walk towards the sand. I wanna go with you, and only you my boo. I wanna be your girl, and you become my world. The things I wanna do, like watch the sunset with you. And
Baby, take my hand, we'll walk toward the sand. I wanna go with you, and make you my boo. I wanna be your man, the future we will plan, the things we wanna do, like watch the sunset with you. Well, no.
boy, I wanna spend the rest of my whole life with you.
Oh, girl, I wanna take this chance so I can be your man. Girl, I just wanna sing
I could say I never dare to think about you in that way, but I would be lying. And I pretend I'm happy for you when you find some dude to take home. But I won't deny that in the midst of the crowds and the shapes in the clouds, I don't see nobody but you. In my rose-tinted dreams, wrinkled silk on my sheets, I don't see nobody but you. Boy, you got me hooked onto something. Who could say that they saw us coming? Tell me, do you feel the love? Spend the summer or a lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place of your dreams. Tell me, do you feel the love? I could say I never unzipped those blue Levi's inside my head, but that's far from the truth. Don't know what's come over me. It seems like yesterday when I said we'll be friends forever. Her constellations of stars, mules on city walls, I don't see nobody but you. You're my vice, you're my muse, you're a 19th floor view. I don't see nobody but you. Boy, you got me hooked onto something. Who could say that they saw us coming? Tell me, do you feel that love? Spend a summer or a lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place of your dreams. Tell me, do you feel that love? Boy, you got me hooked tied to something. Who could say that they saw us? Come and tell me, do you feel the love? Spend a summer or a lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place of your dreams. Tell me.
Listen to me, listen. So you said that when you meet your lifetime love, you're going to change it forever? Well, I guess I meant mine. Just listen to my story.
하얀 수 같은 큰 입에 쌍꺼풀 없는 이쁜 눈에 화장 안 한 듯 짙지 않게 꾸민 얼굴 yeah. 화려하지 않은 진에 딱 어울리는 패션 센스 발휘해 아래 위에 다 가려지만 너무 섹시한 비율 yeah. 나만 바라보는 그런 여자 하지만 못해지는 그런 여자 날 믿고 기다려주는 하고 또 부러진 걸 책을 좋아하는 그런 여자 카페에서 시간만 미안해 그리고 무엇보다 날 핫하게 만드는 너 보고 싶고 나 왠지 네가 자꾸만 보고 싶고 내 품에 속 작은 너를 안고 싶고 내 식구였으면 좋겠고 깨물고 싶어 되고 싶고 나랑 날라게 만드는 너 yeah. 표정은 약간 차갑게 스트레인저들은 얼어보는 듯해 너무도 쉽게 내게 고고하기 어렵겠다 보고 있네 너의 고양이같이 딴 남자들 앞이면 무심하게 굴지만 내가 붙기만 하면 뜨겁게 변하는 너 난 너 때문에 녹겠네 옷이나 백 같은 바보 같은 것들 말고 no 그리고 무엇보다 날 미치게 만드는 것 나 왠지 네가 자꾸만 보고 싶고 내 품에 속 작은 너를 안고 싶고 내 식구였으면 좋겠고 깨물고 싶어 되고 싶고 나랑 달라
Ooh, God, yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Through the coupe at 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it.
Little baby and I'm back and I'm Birkin. No 9 to 5, put the work in. Flaws and all, I love them all. To me, you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games. Fuck around, give you my last name. You know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby,
You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it.
you the only one I'm tryna make love to. Picking and choosing. They ain't really love you, running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real nigga stepping in. Don't let them niggas try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated.